Hey everybody, it's Brandon Vandershot here, a damn good realtor from Brandon Realty Group. And are you looking to get into this city? Are you looking to downsize in, looking for something lower maintenance, or maybe you're a first time buyer? Well, let me tell you, I got a treat here for you today. 390 12th Street West. Come on in, you're gonna love this place. I told you, what a charmer. And if you want to check this place out for yourself, feel free to give me a call at the number that's about to pop up. And thanks again for joining us.